Best Temu designer jeans, Temu finds. In this video, I'll show you the best designer style jeans I found on Temu. If you're trying to look for a very good quality jeans and you want to buy from Temu to save money, then this video is for you. So to get started, these jeans really surprised me. The cut is trendy and easy to wear, and it was comfortable and flattering. Whether you're into high-waisted, ripped, or straight leg styles, Temu has a lot of options that look really current. But be aware that the denim isn't thick. It's soft and easy to wear, but may not be the most durable in the long run. Some pieces had loose threads or small inconsistencies, so check the photos and reviews before you order. For styling or casual wear, though, they're a great dupe for designer jeans. They're especially good for building trendy outfits without overspending. You won't find craftsmanship here, but you will find solid fashion for the price. And that's my review of the best designer jeans on Temu.